Happy birthday to me. Yes, it's my birthday and something has arrived in the mail for me to unbox. And I'm in a big hurry to open it. Hi, my name is Amy Vishwanatha and you're watching Techie Housewife. If you saw my last video, you'll know that I got my Tears of the Kingdom Switch, which was an anniversary gift for hubby and me. We also ordered the game, which arrived today, but that's not what I'm here to talk about. Anyway, I'm pretty excited to get this opened, so let's just do this now. Look at this. Yes, it is the collector's edition, which you've probably already read on the title, so I don't know why I'm trying to keep this a secret from y'all. Let's just get this out of the box. Oh, it's so pretty. For some reason, I just love that design. That's what's on the back of the Switch itself. So here we have, as you can see, we have the actual logo on the front in gold, The Legend of Zelda Tears of the Kingdom Collector's Edition. We have this beautiful design art as well on the box. And it covers basically... Oh, it looks like there's a ding on here. It covers the whole box. Yes, there is a ding. Anyway, it covers the whole box. And you'll see this pretty cool artwork on the back. It includes the game, art book, steelbook, pin set, icon art, poster, and that's pretty much straight to the point. Let's get this open. So the reason I really want to get this open quickly is not only so I can see it because it's so cool, but we thought that the game we ordered from GameStop would arrive yesterday, and it did not. It came today. So both of these came at the same time. So I'm going to be opening this and playing the game out of this. And my husband is taking the one from GameStop and he will play up in his office. So we will both have our own games and we'll both have our own Switches to play on. So no fighting over Tears of the Kingdom time. So let's get this open. Yes. Okay. So the first thing we see here is this super cool steelbook case. And this is really the major thing I think to be excited for in this unboxing. It's just really cool. Look at the design art. It's even on the inside. You have the Nintendo logo. You have the space for your game. That is awesome. Check it out. Hear it? I'm excited about that. Next, of course, is really the most important thing of all, at least for me right now in this box. And that is the game itself. And I am going to be playing that as soon as I'm done recording this video. So yes, I am in a huge hurry. Put that aside. Next, what is this? The Legend of Zelda Tears of the Kingdom. Let's open it. I think I know what this is. I think these are the pens because the shape of the box, and I don't see what else it could be that was listed in the contents. Let's just get that open. Was I right? Ooh. Okay, so not many people like use things like this these days, but those are gorgeous. I love these. They're so pretty. Just give you a look at one of those here. They're pretty solid. They're heavy. So that's pretty cool. This box is super cool. I like how they have the layers. It's like one cool thing after another. Okay, this should be the art book. So let's take that out and look at that. It's a good weight too. It's pretty heavy. And let me just open that here. The book is really nice, good quality. There's a huge indentation. Actually, this picture is on the plaque I have in my background. I don't know if you noticed the plaque. It is in the background, see if you can find it. But anyway, this is what is on that plaque. And we have more of the artwork. This is really cool. This is the logo here. I really love the logo. It's pretty. And oh, should I open this and show you? Let me just randomly open it to a page, because if you're expecting one, I don't want to ruin the experience for you. So let's just randomly open it and check it out to see what we can kind of expect, right? Oh, interesting. Very cool. So I've heard people say that this game actually blows Breath of the Wild away. And I love Breath of the Wild, and I love the look of Breath of the Wild, so I can just only imagine what Tears of the Kingdom is going to be like. This art book is really cool. I can't wait to kind of thoroughly go through it, but I don't want to do that with you guys watching, because, you know, I don't want to ruin that experience for you guys. So let me just get this back in here. What do you guys think? Should I use the case? I mean, so I do have another collector's edition coming, so I don't think it would hurt anything if I do use this case. What do you guys think? Would you use it or not use it? Let me know. You know what? I'm going to just go ahead and open this, because I have to open it anyway. So to show you the case. Those of you who may not even be getting this, you probably want to see what it looks like and everything on the inside of the case, which is understandable. Ready? Okay, here's the outside, which you've probably seen in the stores. Basically, it's the same artwork on the inside here. And the game itself does have a brown color, which then has the logo inside in a bluish green color. But I cannot wait to play this. So I don't know if you can hear Pippin. He is screaming. We were gone all morning, and he wants me to spend time with him, so he's really throwing a fit. Okay, so this is actually the icon art poster. It comes with a notice and some warnings, and it just tells you what to do. So I love this box. It looks so classy, doesn't it? I mean, I think Zelda stuff is super classy. So that's my opinion. Especially like Breath of the Wild and this. Here we go. Are you ready? Haha. That. I can tell underneath that paper that's going to be really nice looking. Let's just close this lid here. There's nothing else in that box. Here we are. And on the back of the paper for this icon art poster, which you hear that, it just tells you what to do to keep the magnet in place, and you know, to clean the surface and everything like that. Of course, those are pretty strong magnets. Okay. Let's see, can I get that? There we go. Oh. Okay, well that magnet works really well. And right here, I mean, there's no like getting around it. This is where you need to put that magnet. So very, very to the point. I don't think anybody should have any questions about that. Let's turn this around and take a look at this. Can you see it? Absolutely beautiful. I love these colors. They're so soft. They're so inviting. And also you can take a look and feel like you can just dive right in there. Like my mind is already looking at it, thinking, and this is what I've been doing every time I see these pictures. What am I going to do from that point? Where am I going to go? Where do I? So I'm already thinking about all that as I'm looking at this picture. So I think this picture really pulls you into the game. What fun is it to have something that you can't to open and put your hands on and play with? So that's why my husband did this for me, and I'm super appreciative of that. Thank you, hubby. So how fitting is it that this has arrived on my birthday? I mean, hubby gave me my gift at midnight, and I absolutely love it. It's so cool. I will put a picture of that so you can see it. It's actually a Zelda purse, and I don't know how he knew, but I had been looking at this at a store, and I don't think he was even around when I was looking at it. So I think by chance he picked up something that I really wanted, and he had no clue. So he did a great job. And as far as this goes, the collector's edition of Tears of the Kingdom, he actually ordered this at midnight on the 12th, and somehow he ordered it from Walmart as soon as it came up, and somehow he actually got it in a cart and paid for it, which for doing this at Walmart, anybody who's tried to order something at Walmart that's in a high demand knows that it's almost impossible. And he got it somehow. And then he decided a split second later, like, hey, if I get this, she can open one, and if I get another one, she can leave that sealed. So he ordered it again, just a split second later. And this actually arrived today, and that one's scheduled to arrive for Tuesday. And thank you again, hubby. So some people might say I'm a little spoiled, but you know, we try to spoil each other. I'll just say one thing I do appreciate about Nintendo is a lot of times when they display things, they do such a great job. They give us beautiful things like this, and sometimes we like to give them a hard time, but when it comes to this stuff, they do an excellent job. As far as pricing goes, there's so many deciding factors as to if this is worth it or not. And you also have to remember the game is also in there with everything. You get the pins, you get that poster, you get the art book, and you also get this super cool steelbook case. I just want to say great job to Nintendo for putting this out here and giving us all a chance to have a piece of this history of Tears of the Kingdom. And I'm going to stop talking. So how many of you got the collector's edition? And are you opening it? Are you keeping it? Did you get more than one? How many of you got the game only? And how many of you just aren't interested in buying it? Just let me know in the comments below. And also, if you've played, what has your experience been so far? Are you loving the game? I'm really interested in that. That is all I have for today. Thank you for watching. If you liked what you watched, please hit like, share this with your friends, and you can always subscribe as well. And as always, have a Zelda-tastic day. I'm gonna shut up now so I can go play.